If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get involved. The Uncomplicated Launcher, designed for seniors on your Android phone, helps to make calls and send messages easily. Set alarms to remind you of important things. Even helps you organize the time to take your medication. Your apps are easily accessible, arranged alphabetically. It even has protection if your phone is unlocked and in your pocket. If the phone is unlocked in your pocket, touches on the screen will automatically be disabled. It also has accidental touches protection. Prevents fingers slightly on the edges of the screen from being interpreted as a pinch, swipe, or scroll action. Clicks will even work while holding the phone with fingers on the screen. There are multiple themes available, so you're sure to find the one that best suits you. If you think this will make use of the phone easier for you, why not get it now for free from Google Play? Just follow the link listed at the top. Stay safe, stay secure, make life a bit simpler. Bye-bye.